Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper, editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine, and brand ambassador for Campco. I'm out here at the campsite and I have got some easy upgrades for your RV that you're really gonna love. I'm starting out by sharing the fold-away grab handle. This thing is so cool. I have 3 steps from my RV floor up into the RV. Being able to grab this thing is so great. And when I'm packing up and I'm ready to go, it folds in, which gives me an extra level of security while I'm riding down the road. If I hit a railroad bump or something and my door latch gives, this is going to keep it closed. Anybody can install it. Comes with all the hardware, super easy, super safe, and just a great addition to your RV. Safety things, maintenance things. One of the things I did last year was put these little flying insect mesh covers. So on the back of your RV where your hot water heater vents, there's odors and warmth. Sometimes in the fall, those bugs are looking for warmth and they want to make a nest inside there. It comes with the tools. It has a little screwdriver in the springs, and adding that to your vent covers is going to keep those bugs from coming in there and making a home there. These are so good because Campco makes the entire kit. So when you buy this all-in-one piece, you have everything you need to change out the shower head in your bathroom. So the screw is there, it goes on. Here is a little receiver that goes on the wall of your RV that is going to hold this in place. What I love about this one is you can spin the dial here and get the pulse, the pressure, however you like to shower, but it's got the on-off switch on the handle. There's a few things that make this a really great shower head. Sometimes the shower head that came with your RV is just a hose and it's very unwieldy. This is non-kinkable. It's very flexible, so you can move this around however you want. The dial head here has a lot of different settings on it, but the really great feature for me is the on-off switch that's right on the handle. So let's say you're boondocking and you really want to be scrupulous about water conservation. You could do your military shower here, where you turn the thing on, you wet down, you turn it off, get all sudsed up, turn it back on, and you may be showered with a half a gallon of water. So super easy to install. They come in multiple colors. Now, in the RV world, there's necessities, there's wants, there's needs. As far as I'm concerned, this little gadget is an absolute necessity. So if you have a solar window in the top of your camper, which everybody does, you're a fantastic fan or just a vent, in the summer, the sun is beating down in there. You come back from wherever you are and the place is an oven. So this reflective side pops up into your, everyone who has bought an RV wonders where the industry buys their shower heads, but I don't know anyone who doesn't upgrade their shower heads. Easy peasy upgrade that you are going to love. Vent up there and it keeps all that hot air from coming out. But this is dual duty because in the winter when you're camping or late in the fall, there's a lot of air leakage going on there. So this is going to keep your RV really toasty too. A bonus with this is when you want to sleep in the morning, this is going to darken your RV. It's going to be Elvis dark in there and you're going to sleep as late as you want because you're on vacation. So don't forget those. We can't talk about RV upgrades without doing a little bit of potty talk. So I want to talk about this. So this is the Campco RV gate valve. So we know how our waste system works, right? We've got it coming out of the black tank. We have got our gray and our black hose right there, and it's got that valve on it because we want to keep that back until we're ready to use it. And sometimes you'll be pulling out of your campsite, maybe you hit a pothole, you're on a bad slope or something. If that thing cracks, you got to get a plumber, you got to saw that off with a hacksaw, you got to get plumbing. But this is a replacement. This can just go and snap back on. But another thing you can do with this is you can add this to your existing one and give yourself 2 black valves. If one of these begins to leak over time, you'll see that it's coming into here and you've got the second valve holding back that waste, and you can see if it's in here. If you see something in here, then you know you've got to get a garbage bag or something to catch this when you open it. So it's an easy repair if you unfortunately have that happen to you, but it's also a great way to extend the length and give yourself a backup valve. Now, if you don't need a backup valve, but your RV sewer hose is deep inside the underbelly of your RV, you can get one of these extenders. This is really cool too because it comes in 5-inch, 7-inch, and 9-inch, depending on how far in yours are. I have had an RV that I had to really reach down into, so we can click this thing on, put our cover on here, and we've given ourselves a little extra room, but we can also see what's going on in there if we have any leaks, so they come in clear. Okay, a couple years ago, I got these. It's the scrub rug. So if you have the Camco rug that goes in front of your doors, they took all that technology and they made them for stairs. Here's what I love about this. Look at the back. This is a wraparound. This is like no installation. You wrap this around your step, and then there's these big heavy-duty springs. You don't take these on and off every time you go camping. They get on, you fold them up, they go under your step or inside if you have these kind of steps, and they're on for good. The scrub rug, when you brush your feet in there, there's these little tiny loops, and they're grabbing all the dirt in the bottom of your shoes, and they're inside the scrub rug instead of inside your campers. They make another version of that now, and they come in 2 different sizes. This is ribbed. It's like indoor-outdoor carpet. This is a 3-pack. Same technology on the back. You see all the clips there? So it's adjustable. You're going to be able to get that on whatever step you have. These 3 things are just another thing to catch dirt, catch water, and keep you from slipping when you're going in and out of the trailer. And I think it's so cool that these things come in a 3-pack now. I love them. If you have kids, you know that they love to come up to your camper door and push on it. And it's not only kids. People just push on the camper door. Well, you know the handle on the screen door of your camper is a little tiny plastic sliding door, and then it's a little tiny plastic handle. This is the coolest RV screen door crossbar. This installs across the RV door, and it's the handle. You're no longer grabbing for that. If you're just standing there talking to someone, if you need one hand to push the door open because you're handing out a tray of burgers to someone, much more substantial, much easier way to get in and out of the RV, and a super simple, inexpensive upgrade that you are going to love. Don't think that your leveling jacks are just for your camper. We're on a really slope here. So we leveled off our portable Camco table here with our leveling jacks, but we also did it with the picnic table. Use these for your camper, use these for your table, use them for your picnic table. They come in so handy. So this is my Camco refrigerator. It's 12 volt and 110. I'm really trying hard to eat right. I'm trying to make good food choices, and one of the things that helps me do that is having the food I need and not having to stop at a rest stop and buy some greasy burger that I don't want. So I've been driving around, not even when I'm camping, all the time. If I'm gone for the day, if I'm going down to the beach, I'm taking this thing with me because it runs in my car. There is an app that will tell you if it begins to drain too much juice, and it's going to shut off, so it's not going to drain your battery. But I've got this in here. I got my Gatorade and some other goodies. So I've got all my food in here. Plug this in, 110 or 12 volt. It's so lightweight too. I can pick this up, even though this has food in it. And if I wanted to, I could bring it into my hotel room at night if I didn't have a fridge. The thing I love about these, and I actually have 2 of them, I have a big one too. This is one of those Camco products that feels like a camping investment, but it's a home investment. It's a life investment. I use this thing in my backyard all summer long. I bought a pizza oven, and so now it seems like the whole world lives in my backyard. All the drinks go in here. I can keep things in here. People aren't going in and out of the house. At Thanksgiving, when the fridge is packed, all the extras go in here. It's just an item I use for my life, not just for camping. Road trips, backyards, beach, you're gonna love it. This is one of those products that's just not for camping, it's for life. You're gonna use it so much that you're gonna wonder how you ever lived without it. So, a camping investment that is gonna pay off in the rest of your life. One more favorite thing for you, and that is the outdoor towel bar. I love coming home from the beach, from the shower here, but how many times have you, look how far I am from this, hanging towels off anything that sticks out. This thing is suction gripped. You turn it clockwise and you just keep tightening it and it stays on the camper, and you come home and you hang your towels there. And there's actually a single hook one too that you could rinse off your Crocs or your flip-flops and just hang them on the camper. You could hang your dish towel on there while you're cooking here. These little grab bars are just a game changer. So I hope you have enjoyed all my favorite RV upgrade products at Camco. To find out more, go to CamcoOutdoor.com, and if you use Girl Camper 10, you'll get 10% discount.
Camco.